Alright, welcome home folks. We are back at it again with another PAX Aus vlog. It is that time again. Welcome to PAX Australia 2024. And we are celebrating 20 years of PAX. Also last year was 10 years of PAX Australia, but this year we're celebrating 20 years of PAX as a whole. Because it has been around since 2004. That's been a long time coming. So I'm not going to go ahead and explain too much. If you guys have seen my previous PAX vlogs, you'll know what to expect. Yeah, I'll let the clips explain for itself. So enjoy. Hey! 10, 9,
So come inside and you try out for yourself in 5, 4, 2, 1, go.
My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing your wisdom. My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing your wisdom. Like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing your wisdom. My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing your wisdom. pouring. You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I never thought I'd find it, a love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like
Brilliant, mate.
Yeah, I know.
Take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home, country roads.
look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further.
Waiting for your storm to settle as I look toward the sea. Dust in your eyes like the water, as the tide it consumes me. You would never save me if my walls came down. Head is underwater, you would let me drown. Watching as I suffocate. Darling, pull the trigger, honey, steal my crown. Choke me till I black out, put your hands around. Cut out my heart, I'm guilty. She said, worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness sets you free. Worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness sets you free. Worship me. safe from murder. Fill the forest with your kin. You would never save me if my walls came down. Head is underwater, you would let me drown. Watching as I suffocate. Darling, pull the trigger, honey, steal my crown. Choke me till I black out, put your hands around. Cut out my heart, I'm guilty. She said, worship me, I control the air you breathe.
So I'm just going to pop in here quickly just to mention something in regards to day 3 of PAX Aus 2024. So just like last year, I'm not going to be recording much on day 3. It'll mainly be tabletop stuff. However, I will throw in some clips that I forgot to record or forgot to add on from the past couple of days. I have to check out my hotel at 12 o'clock, so I'm not going to be there for 2 hours compared to the past couple of days where, you know, I've been there for a lot longer than that. So, yeah, I thought I'll just mention that now, and enjoy the last day of PAX Australia 2024.
Worship me, my forgiveness sets you free. Worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me, my forgiveness sets you
I don't wanna risk it all again, but I don't wanna be on my own. It always goes much better in my head, but the feelings end up wasted. So I'm sorry for breaking down when you said you got me. I'm used to being let down, but I'm hoping if I'm falling too fast, then you'll catch me. You'll catch me. So I'm sorry that you might have to see I'm not flawless. I promise that I'm facing my problems. If I'm falling too fast, will you catch me? Will you catch me before I...
Alright folks, so I'm back home now, which means that this is going to conclude my coverage of PAX Australia 2024. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did enjoy it, leave a like. And if you were one of those people that did attend this year's convention, let me know your favourite moment down below because of, well, you know, just out of curiosity. So, anyway, enjoy this last little view of my hotel room. And until then, I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace out, folks.